Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DraftKings how to win. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your DraftKings app, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is just simply log into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the home option on the bottom left corner of the screen, or just simply tap in all sports. And once you do that, all you gotta do is just simply search for the game, or just simply go to your home screen. Now once you are done with that, here, in order to win, what you need to do is you want to play a lot of low risk, low return on investment games. A good fantasy player should be able to steadily increase bankroll by doubling up on 50-50 style contests. But if you want to make a lot of money, you will have to take some risks and enter high risks or high return on investment tournaments. Now all you gotta do now is research on what is run line, total and money line bets, and accordingly you can select the bet, and then here you will be on selecting the bet, you will be getting the bet slip. Now here all you gotta do is enter in how much amount that you want to bet, and here you will be getting the option to place the bet, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.